how to change the temperature unit to Fahrenheit or Celsius on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings, then tap on General. Next, go down and tap on Language and Region. In here, tap on Temperature, and from the list you could choose to display temperature in Celsius or to display the temperature in Fahrenheit. Now select one of the options and then tap on the back key. Now another way to change the temperature is by changing the region. So by simply changing the region that you are in, the calendar, the temperature, and the measurement system will change it, reflecting to your local region. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.